Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to add PDF to Apple Books app. If you are using an iPhone and you want to add your PDF to your Apple Books app, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to save your PDF into Files app. Just open Files app and here go to Browse and browse. Go to on my iPhone and here you have to save your PDF. As you can see, I have saved one. So after opening this, you just have to tap on the share icon and here just scroll down and here you'll get the more icon and more. You just have to look for books. Here's that, tap on it, then it will be open into your books and here you can see it has been added to my book app. And after doing this, when you will tap on library, you will get it here and then tap on it to open it in your books app. So that's how you can add PDF to Apple Books app on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.